Hey, it's the Siren Collector here, and I'm in somewhere in Maine. I'm not sure where, but I just barely managed to notice this, I think, Federal Signal Model 5 up here, so I'm gonna try to get up there if I can, but it's gonna be very hard, as this is a very steep cliff. Ugh. Probably best to go up here to there. Someone managed to do that. Now I have to face the possibility of ticks. Anyways, this is a Federal Signal Model 5. 5 horsepower. Power line goes all the way to the fire department down there. Looks like it also has like a grounding cable or something like that. So yeah. Yeah, it looks like it has like a support line, probably because it's on a steep hill. You can also see the motor if you look closely. Probably still active. Maybe. Can't tell. Oh yeah, it looks like it's got spider web in my mouth. Yeah. Looks like it's still wired up. There's a bird nest in it. But other than that, looks like it's in relatively good condition. You can still see that they could still use that. So yeah, still out of breath from going all the way down to there. So yeah, bye for now. Hope you enjoyed.